How to find saved post on LinkedIn. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can find saved post on LinkedIn, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to find saved post on LinkedIn, all we have to do is simply first of all go ahead and then basically launch the LinkedIn application here. Once you launch a LinkedIn app, maybe you've saved a post so that you can access them sometime later in the future, and now you want to find it. It is very simple, because all you have to do is just tap the profile icon from the top left and then just go to this option called view profile here. Once you go to this option called view profile, scroll down, look for this resources section, and then go to show all resources here. Once you go to show all resources, here you'll find this option called my items. Just select my items here, and then over here you'll see saved posts and articles, which means any post that you've saved to LinkedIn so far will appear over here, and then inside of it you should be able to find the post that you've saved. If you want, you can now go ahead and save them. So this way you can find saved post on LinkedIn. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.